have a drink, please, out the top box?
Yeah, sure.
The state of it. You need something to organise it. Don't you just wish you had something?
Just like magic. Lovely and organised. There's your drink, darling.
Thank you.
What's happening, guys? So as you can see, let's turn the camera around. As you can see, obviously, from the intro, I've been in contact with a person called the Top Box Divider Man. I'll drop his details down below. And yeah, he has built me dividers for my Jivvy Outback Ateca 58 litre. And this is a huge top box. You know, it will fit my Shoei helmet in, no problem whatsoever. So, obviously, keeping it organised is a big issue. So what he's done is he's built this for me. Now, look at that. He's even put the logo on there. That is amazing. I mean, if I put that up against something dark, there you go, you might be able to see a little bit better now. But obviously, all of these designed to fit the top box. So, let's get it installed. So, as you can see on this side, we've got these two little screws. So on this side here, those little screws just fit perfectly. So what we're going to do is we've got this little sticky tape. Just peel it off. Peel it off. He says, Jesus. You always get the one that doesn't want to come off. Peel it off. Try and figure out where you want to put it. And then just press it in. Just making sure that it is all secured. Then, same again on this one. It's just sticky back. Tape. Make sure it's the right way around. And it should then just fit perfectly into there. He says. So, that is all well and good. Yeah, now that that's in there, that's all well and good. Helmet can still fit in, can still close, brilliant. But you want to organise it, and you want to keep it organised. So you get these, and again, just got a nice protective film on. And that as well. There it is. that's perfectly crystal clear. So I think if I go third one in, a bit fiddly, but it goes in. Same again on this one. Feed it off. Let's go third one in and third one in again. And look at that. They are strong, sturdy. And obviously now what we can do is obviously now pack it out just the way you want to pack it out. Camera equipment, drinks, rags, everything, and it stays perfectly organised. Right guys, it's now been 24 hours since I stuck the top box dividers in. I left it 24 hours just due to the fact of I want the adhesive to stick to the top box itself. Also, it gave myself a bit of time off camera to have a play, have a bit of an adjust. I will show you the result in a second. Obviously it's that completely personal preference to how you do it, but for me I've got a setup now which I'm really happy with. It looks tidy, it looks organised. So let's take a quick look inside the top box. So as you can see, the top box itself has now been organised. So what have I done here then? So I've now moved to the third slot in on both sides, which that then now gives me enough room to have the laptop in there as well. Oh, whilst this is on display here guys, I would just like to say that the top box divider man, he doesn't normally do this on normal orders. He only does this for content creators. So unfortunately that doesn't come as a standard thing. But obviously that to me, very well organised, because I know exactly where everything is, in what compartment there is, and this cost £20. So for £20, and this isn't cheap stuff either, this is solid plastic material. I mean you can just see the thickness of it there, so it's not cheap, it's not flimsy, it is top quality material. So what have I managed to fit into here then? So if we have a quick look, we take the jacket out, put you back up here. So if we take the jacket out and then just hang you over the edge. So I've got camera case, I've got laptop, and then I've got camera protection equipment in there. You know, that's a big, massive space to be able to fill. And what have I got over here? I've obviously got the drone. The drone fits in perfectly there, nice and secured. Puncture repair kit, tool kit. Probably one of the important parts of any bit of kit, the jet boil. Just a microfiber cloth. I've got my gloves, spare pair of gloves, and I've got the Thunderfoot in there. You know, there is loads of stuff in here now and I know where it all is, and it's all organised for £20. So, Top Box Divider man. His details all in the description below. Go check him out. Give him a follow on Instagram. Drop him a message. He builds these for so many different types of top boxes. It's unbelievable. So, right guys. Take it easy. Hope to see you out there. Stay safe. Bye.